Howdy folks, welcome back to Melanchthon Creek Farm. It's been about 14 hours since we've installed our solar powered drip irrigation system. And we're back out here this evening to check and see how it's been doing. This is a quick update on the last couple videos that we've did on where we got this thing and where we did the install. And as you can see, we've got some moisture down around the base of that squash plant, and that looks good. And you can really see it right here. All that really moist around that. Looks good. Let's see what the water ring looks like here. And it's just basically right around the drip on this one, which that still looks pretty good. I'm sure if we dig back, oh yeah, that's really, oh yeah, that's good right there. I'm pleased with that. And let's see, this in here, it's just right there at the base too, and that looks good. That looks good. Let's check out the pepper plants. Pepper plants is looking really good. They're starting to fill out. Oh yeah. You can see how wet it is around the base of that one. Not so much that one, but it is wet down in there. Let's check on this side here. Oh yeah. Now this in here is about, yeah, this is the first drip nozzle from the unit here. So naturally it's going to probably be more wet than the rest of them. But yeah, that looks real good. That looks good. Come around on this side of the zucchini. Let's look at these. Oh yeah, you can see where it's coming out around there good. Also on that one as well. Oh yeah, that's good and wet around the base of that one. That one looks good. Oh yeah. And let's see, that one here at the end of the line, that looks really good too. I'm not sure if we can get to that one. Let's see. I can get to it from this side here. All right. Yep, and that's wet. Not saturated. We don't want to soak it down. We don't want to get no blossom rot. I don't think we're gonna have any problem with that. And you can see they're still pretty droopy. These leaves are, but when I got in the truck to leave work today, it said it was 98 degrees, and it's been really hot and really dry for so long. These plants are just really suffering from this drought conditions that we're in right now. Hopefully this irrigation system is going to help us out, keeping this stuff watered for us. Got a couple squash there we're going to be picking pretty soon. That looks good. I think I seen a zucchini over here when I was looking. Go back and check this thing out. Oh yeah, that there will be ready. It is ready. Oh yeah, that one's ready to go. And it looks like we got one right here hiding in the middle. Oh yeah, that one's good. We got a couple zucchini. We're still doing good. Just real quick, beans are probably about played out. We may have a couple more pickings left on these, and then we'll probably let the rest go to seed. That way we'll have something for next year. Taters is starting to die out a little bit, you can see. So we're going to probably be digging taters here pretty quick. And this corn's probably going to be ready this weekend. I had a spot here I was checking the other day. Let's see what she looks like now. Let's see here. Oh yeah, yep. Got that milky looking substance coming out, and she's ready. If you got your little spot and you poke your kernel and it comes out and it's still kind of clear, ain't quite ready. But once it starts getting that milky look to it, she's ready to go. So we're gonna be picking that more than likely tomorrow. Now our okra's doing really well. We still got some on here that we haven't picked today yet, so this stuff will be going for quite a while. And this okra, it'll last up till every bit of the first frost that we get. It'll still be putting out then. So, and now these watermelons are looking really good, really good. Got a couple coming on right there, and you can see them. I mean, they're just sprouting out everywhere. Little ones here and there and everywhere. But got a really good, nice size one over here that we're looking at. Now, it's going to be quite a while before these are ready, but as fast as they're growing, folks, I mean, I think I took a picture of it last time with my hand, and you know, I can't even stretch my hand out that far now, so it's going on pretty good. I'm really pleased with how this turned out, my melon patch, and looking forward to harvesting some watermelons and the cantaloupe over here. Like I said, I've never grown cantaloupe before, so this is all new for me. I know I see a bunch of male flyers on here. I hadn't seen any females pop up yet, but I'm sure it won't be long. As good as the watermelons has been doing, they won't be far along behind them. Anyway, I'll cut the video short there, and just like to say I appreciate everybody that's come along in our journey this spring and into this summer, and looking forward to posting more videos about our journey into the fall and winter months. So hang with us, folks. I appreciate you subscribing, like, share, and comment below. Let us know how you think we're doing here, and if you got any suggestions for us, let us know. We'd very much appreciate it. And y'all take care.